So guys, today I'll show you the quick unboxing of the OnePlus 5T, which I got delivered just today. So I got it for around 33,000 from Amazon, and its specifications are as follows. It has 64GB internal storage, and it comes in a midnight black variant and a white variant as well. Okay, and this contains the mobile phone, the USB cable, the charger, the protective case. OnePlus always includes a protective case with it bundled inside the box. So without any further ado, let's start unboxing. Okay. Let's keep this aside. So as you can see, nice box. So let's open this. Okay, so here's the OnePlus 5T. Okay, let's yeah. So you can take a look at this. Here is the OnePlus 5T with an aspect ratio of 16:25:9. Okay, so let's keep this aside for a moment and see what's bundled inside this box. Okay. So here is the protective case that we get, the transparent one, as you can see, the transparent one. Let's keep them aside for a moment. Yeah, there is a quick start guide. As you can see, there is a quick start guide and a SIM ejector tool, which is the normal one. Yeah. So let's keep this aside and see what's more. So there's a dash charge. There's a Type-C charger, as OnePlus includes in the box, and it supports dash charging. So let's take this out of the box. Okay, so this is the charging brick. As you can see, this is the charging brick, and as you can see, it's written dash charge. Dash charge. I'm having some focusing issues with it, but please forgive me, guys. So that's all what it's present inside the box. But if you want me to review this model, please put a thumbs up, like this video, share this video, and please subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe our channel, that is TechWiz, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks.